the magic of Disney has always been about bringing to life a world of wonder and fantasies that make the spirit soar. Now, we invite you to come with us as we discover a whole new kind of Disney magic on a very special vacation.
Come with us to a world of fantasy and imagination, where each discovery begins with fairy tale inspiration. Come with us.
Come with us on an incredible week-long adventure, beginning with 3 to 4 days at the Walt Disney World Resort. Then, let your dreams set sail as we take the magic of Disney and just add water.
Cross the sea, let the stars chart our way. May the waves be our guide. On a dream we will glide, we will glide.
Welcome aboard the Disney Magic, a vessel inspired by the greatest ocean liners of the past. On her, we set sail on a journey of incredible imagination on the first ever cruise line created by the dream makers at Disney. Here you will enjoy entertainment that is simply unmatched by any other ship on the seas and created especially for our cruise line in the grand Disney tradition. Each night, spectacular original productions will light up the ship's incredible 1,000-seat theater with all the style and panache of Broadway itself. And the show's only just begun. Here, every meal becomes a culinary celebration. Each evening, enjoy a deliciously different dining experience, such as the elegance of Lumiere's, the relaxing grown-up getaway of Palos, a night of tantalizing island fare, or simply savor the magic of the animator's palette, where color comes with every course until the whole room blossoms in a spectrum of brilliant hues. Now, the evening takes on a festive flavor all its own in a nighttime district featuring an unparalleled variety of entertainment designed for adults. Dance the night away, laugh to your heart's content, or perhaps simply sit back and let the music engulf you at a stylish cabaret. Meanwhile, children will be having an all-encompassing experience all their own in the largest kids area ever created on the 7 seas. It's colossal fun that's distinctively Disney, complete with creatively planned kids' activities, plus hands-on interactive entertainment, all designed especially to let the imaginations of kids and teens light up like the stars. On board this ship, there's magic for everyone. Bask in the glow of relaxation on deck, where families can play, or in the uniquely separate areas for children and adults, like the magic soothing spa and state-of-the-art fitness center. Just leave it to impeccable Disney service to make this cruise the perfect combination of fun and leisure, as limitless and surprising as the sea itself.
Let the stars chart our way. May the waves be our guide. On a dream we will glide, we will glide.
Welcome to exotic ports of the Bahamas, like Nassau, and the extraordinary Castaway Cay, Disney's own special island paradise, exclusive to our cruise line guests, where the magic actually pulls into port to let you step right off to tropical freedom. Rejuvenate on sugar-white beaches, including one just for the big kids. Play your favorite sports. Enjoy a relaxing massage. Simply be as carefree as you can be. Then, just step back aboard and stretch out in the most warmly detailed, family-sized staterooms and suites on the sea. Enjoy relaxation like no other on a ship, on a vacation that takes you from the fairy tales and fun of Walt Disney World to sail on magic.
Cross the sea, let the stars chart our way. May the waves be our guide. On a dream we will glide, Cross the sea,
Come with us to discover uncharted magic. Disney Cruise Line.
cross the sea.
Sailing early 1998.